Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Baqua Spa Test Strips 4-way chlorine and bromine-free spa and hot tub tester. Baqua Spa Test Strips 4-way are a quick and easy way to test your Baqua Spa treat system. This is a quick and easy way to check your spa water's Baqua Spa Sanitizer with stain and scale control, hardness, total alkalinity and pH levels. Baqua Spa was developed for use in spas, hot tubs and jacuzzis. Product benefits. Test spa water for Baqua Spa Sanitizer, calcium hardness, total alkalinity and pH. Works with all biguanide sanitizer systems. Chlorine and bromine-free, easy-to-read strips. Usage directions. Follow your normal housekeeping routine, and just once a week, do the following. Step 1. Add the appropriate amount of Waterline and Oxidizer. Step 2. Use Baqua Spa Test Strips to test the sanitizer and pH levels. Step 3. Adjust if necessary. Useful tips. To ensure accurate testing, always store your test strips in a cool, well-ventilated area. Always keep the lid sealed. Incorrect storage and handling may result in inaccurate readings. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.